Welcome back, guys. So now let's create a content strategy with Grok. So we have our profile right here, and we'll be able to create the brand profile for Amazon. So right now, I want to use Grok to create a content strategy. So I would say I want to create a content strategy from Amazon. So what I want to do now is let's say I want to create a content strategy for Amazon here on X. I want to be able to create a viral content for awareness and conversion. Help me detail a Twitter content strategy. Yes. So let me name Twitter content strategy for this brand. So what I want to do now is I want to upload my Amazon brand guideline. So I'll do that. So I'll upload the Amazon brand guideline. So I'll come to this and I'll try to upload that. So having to upload the Amazon brand guideline, I'll just have this sent so we can create a Twitter content strategy. So these are ways you can actually train your generative AI to create stuff for you. So this same prompt, if you use it on ChatGPT, it's going to bring out something for you, not just Grok. So let me go to ChatGPT as well. So let's use the same prompt and let's see what we're going to have. So I'm going to copy this, then I'll use it on ChatGPT as well, not just Grok. So I'll wait for Grok to load the brand guideline. Let me do the same on ChatGPT. So I'll upload the brand guideline. Like I said, I'll upload the brand guideline. So I'll come to Amazon and I'll come to the documents, then I'll choose a brand guideline. I'll open this, then I'll paste this. So I'm going to have this prompted on ChatGPT, then I'll have it prompted on Grok as well. So let's wait for both to load the brand guideline, then we can proceed to create the content strategy for there. From there, not just content strategy, we're going to create a content calendar as well, and we're going to see how that goes. Then we're going to proceed to create content on Grok on X and see how the whole thing will go. So I'm waiting for this to get loaded up here on ChatGPT and here on Grok. So let's have this sent. Let's have this sent and let's have this sent as well here on ChatGPT and let's see what it brings. So here we are and here we have this. So we say you should have the so this is a brand strategy. Let's craft a detailed X content strategy from Amazon. Assume it is an e-commerce or retail inspired name, blending meme and Amazon vibes. The goal is to drive viral awareness and boost conversions through engaging shareable content tailored to X fast paced. Yes, so we have define Amazon's brand identity and goals. Okay, so let's see into this. Get Amazon trending, increase follower. These will be the goals and this will be the target audience. Then we have content pillars for viral appeal. So we have meme driven product highlights. We have trend jacking with hashtags. So let's see what we have right here. So this would take ideas from the brand guideline and we have something like this. So it says e-commerce insight and education. So this is a very good content strategy. So all I have to do is to come to my Google Documents and let me have the content strategy drafted. So I would say, okay, so let's see. I'll just come back to Grok. I'll copy this. I'll come back to Grok. I'll say refine this content strategy for me and let's see what it brings for me. So let's say we have the refined version here and this is it. So this is seller inspiration and everything, content format, threads, 3 to 5 tweets, deep dives on e-commerce tricks or seller journeys, via tweets, punchy one-liners, tips, quips or bold claims, millionaires mentor, Amazon delivers, yeah, relatable seller struggles or wins, me listing on Amazon versus other platform with a small cart. So let's say posting schedule, 3 to 4 tweets, 1 2 threads, one video, and everything is right there. So we have the one from ChatGPT. So let's see what we have here. So it has this and okay. So we are good to go. Since we have something like this, let's just do this. So let's copy one of these content strategy to use for ourselves. And here we have 7 day kickoff plan, day one. So let's see what we have here. Maybe this too as the kickoff plan. So this does not have a kickoff plan. So let's use this actually. Let's use the one Grok gave us. So this will be the content strategy. So you can refine it yourself actually if you want to. So we can just do something like this and I'll copy this. Then I'll come here to have a new document. So I'm going to have a new document right here, and that will be having a content strategy. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to name it content strategy. This is Google Documents. I'll say content strategy. Yes. And I'm going to have what I copied here. This I copied and I'm going to have it pasted here. So I'm going to paste it right now, and that will be our content strategy, just 3 pages. So it can be refined, it can be walked through. So we are going to have this as our content strategy and we're going to work on this. I hope to see in the next lesson where we'll get to talk about creating a content calendar, maybe for a month, for a year, and all that. I'll show you how to create a content calendar. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.